how to change the blade on the Amazon Basics utility knife. So first what you want to do, press this button down here. You have some spare knives here. However, I'll just show you on this here. Just take this whole section out. Take your blade, get your new blade. So you want it to go like that. So you don't want it to proceed over that. Then what we want to do is get it carefully. You want to put it in the track like that, and it should slip in like that. Then you want to get the lid. Oops. See, it's a bit tricky because if you do drop it like that, it'll all fall out and you have to start again. So put that in there like that. Drop that into the track like that. Put the lid in. I'll try and do it without dropping it this time. Press it down, and there you go. You'll have changed the blade on the Amazon Basics utility knife. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.